안녕하세요. 123 김치의 태연입니다. Hello everyone, this is Taeyeon from 123 Kimchi. Today we'll make creamy kimchi and chickpea soup. Kimchi Biji-jjigae in Korean. This is another one of my weeknight go-to menu because it's so easy but packed with flavors and nutrition. Let me show you how to make it easy and simple. First, I'm going to make dried kelp water. In a container, add 1 sheet of dried kelp and a cup of water. Pro tip, leaving it overnight in the fridge. This will slowly infuse the umami flavors, making the difference between a nice and delicious meal. If you don't have time, microwave this for 1.5 minutes and leave it for 10 minutes and it's ready to use. Of course, if you have versatile Korean stock, you should use that instead. Now here's canned chickpea, rinsed and drained. Combine chickpeas with a half cup of stock and blend until it's smooth. Traditionally, biji찌개 is made with biji or ground soybeans, a byproduct of making tofu. But I find it way simpler to use the canned chickpeas. If you want to make the ground soybeans or chickpeas on your own, please visit my website at 123kimchi.com. Chop kimchi into small bite-sized pieces. The sour the kimchi is, the better the taste. Sour kimchi is really going to shine in this dish, and the nutty taste of chickpea will balance it out. Diagonally slice the green onion, and to add heat, slice up a bit of hot chili pepper too. And now it's time to cook. First, heat the pot over medium heat and add Perilla oil. Then add chopped kimchi and Gochugaru. We want to bring out all the good flavors of kimchi and harmonize it with the nutty Perilla oil. Keep stirring for 5 minutes, adding kimchi juice in between to prevent from burning. Then pour in the other half of kelp stock and close the lid. Cook for 5 minutes. Thereafter, pour the blended chickpeas in and boil for another 2 minutes, stirring in between. Add Korean light soy sauce or fish sauce to taste. My kimchi was pretty salty, so I added 1 teaspoon. Finally, add the green onion and chili slices and take it off the heat. If you want the soup thicker, then of course you can use less water. And it's time to serve. After a rough day at work, I always like to eat this soup with rice. It's so hearty, creamy, and full of flavors. Like this, served with rice. The nutty taste of chickpea really makes a good balance with spiciness and sourness of kimchi. Go ahead and try it out for yourself, and don't forget to share the love, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching 123 Kimchi!